Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
With a 1-year warranty, Ninja appliances are not guaranteed to last beyond 365 days after purchase with regular use. Some consumers even complain that their Nutri-Ninja only lasted a few months with heavy use. However, with good care and taking advantage of the warranty if necessary, your Ninja can last years.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Ninja Recall models. Blenders, by their very nature, can be dangerous. They feature sharp blades that can cause lacerations when the blender isn't handled properly. But some blenders may be more dangerous than others.
Take our lead.
These two blenders are nearly neck and neck in our tests. The Vitamix scores slightly higher for making soup, but Ninja rates a little better for ease of use. They're tied in the icy drinks, ice crushing, and noise tests. And it'll turn out decent soups, as long as you don't blend ingredients while they're hot.
Let's help you make your mark.
Normally we can run the blender for 3 minutes or more depending upon the load, i.e. if you are blending hard material. Motor does more effort to rotate to blend. If you are in not hurry to blend, just give some time to cool down the body temp to increase the life of motor, hence blender.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.